Tirupati. This place is called Ten Tirupati by the people because it has got similar features of the Tirupati which you have in Andhra Pradesh. This place is located near Trichy. That is, there is a town called Thurayur near Trichy, and from Thurayur, within a few kilometers, you find this temple. The temple is located on the hill, and the hill may be around 150 feet high, and this temple was constructed or built by the grandchildren of one of the important Chola kings, Karigal Valavan. The king took penance and he prayed God to have darshan of Perumal. So Perumal appeared with Changu and Chakram. So you find here the footprints, the Tirupadangal at the foothill. So that is worshipped by the people who are not able to climb up the hill. So they have that satisfaction that they have seen the God's Padangal. And you can go by vehicle also. It takes 15 minutes to reach the top of the hill. And this was built 1800 years back. Now let's see about the god. So here Perumal is found with the Tayar, Sridevi Bhudevi, and there is a separate Sannadhi for Tayar, that is Alamela Manga Tayar. And closer to the main Sannadhi of Perumal, you find Karupannar Sannadhi. You can see a Karupannar with a horse. That is later period, the descendants of these kings, they worship Karupannar here. So it looks, and people say that Karupannar is taking care of the temple. And Vibhuti is given as prasadam in the Karupannar Sannadhi, and Perumal and Tayar Sannadhi, you get Tulasi, Tirtham and coconut Tiruval. That is the small pieces of the scrapings of coconut. It is very, very, very tasty. And if you go 10 steps down, you find Madapalli. That is a place where they cook prasadam for God. So it's a very beautiful, very divine, very serene atmosphere. And you have a small prakaram there, and you have a Mahamandapam there. That Mahamandapam has stone pillars, and each pillar has got the avatarams, Vishnu avatarams sculpted, and each one looks like real, and especially Narsimha avataram. And you have Alvars and Chennai Mudalvar, and you have got Mannargudi Perumal sculpture also there, idol is there. So it gives as if you have visited so many places. And why it is known as Ten Tirupati? The features what you find in Tirupati in Andhra Pradesh are found here. That is, you have to cross 7 hills to reach this. This is in Pachai Malai. And to reach that hill, you have to go through 7 hills. Then at the foothill, you find Govindarajar, and you have Anjaneya, and you have Garudalvar. All these idols, big idols are found here. You can have darshan there. So all these features which are found in Tirupati, Tirumalai Adivaram, you can find here. And the other special feature here is Perumal has got Chengol. That is what the kings used to have, because the king surrendered himself, and here the God is kept as chief for everything. So God is leading, God is presiding everything. So he has been given the topmost position for even administration and everything. So that Chengol is offered by king to the Perumal. So Perumal always has that Chengol. So that is what it looks like. And bow and arrow. So you will have that you can see that like that will be like one ayudam. So he always has that in his hand. So this is the Sthala Purana of Tirupati, and it is a very, very, very holy place, and you have got a very divine atmosphere here, and no one should miss it. So please make an opportunity and visit this place, have darshan. Thank you.